Ah, hello and welcome. I'm the awful chef. I want to eat, so I'd better make something. This recipe is so simple, I'm not sure you'll believe me. But here it goes. In the pan, well, what I'm making is peas and eggs. In the pan, I have onions and garlic, rough chopped garlic, put it all in at once, sauteing together. So onions, garlic, salt, pepper, butter, a little olive oil to keep things from burning. And they are just barely cooked enough to be sweet and considered sauteed. Here I have some mini bell peppers that I cut up that are going in. Oh, that smells wonderful. So here we are. Peppers, onions, garlic, butter, olive oil, salt, pepper. Stir, stir, stir. And yes, we are just barely developing a fond on the bottom of the pan. Oh, excuse me. So here in a couple of minutes, oh yes, the delightful brownness of caramelized sugar from the onions and the garlic. Let's see if we can show you this. You get some idea of the discoloration. Deglaze with a little stock in a box. I am not joining you tonight. Sorry about that. But we just want things to be loose and juicy in there, basically. And now I have a delightfully colored liquid on the bottom of my pan, which will make the ideal medium for cooking up frozen peas. Yes, dinner is just a plate of food, and it's frequently just this easy. Okay, let's see how that goes. Wonderful. We do need more peas, though. There's an option to use Spanish chorizo, for which I substitute linguica. You can also use ham with this if you'd like. But tonight we're going vegetarian. Well, vegetarian, yeah. Resealable freezer bags. Oh, gotta love them. Okay. So here we are. A delightful plate of very flavorful vegetables. The idea being you cook that down, and then when it's nice and hot and ready, all the peas are thawed, you break a couple of eggs in, one on each side, and poach them in the liquid. I went ahead and pre-poached the eggs. I cheated. Yes, I broke a yolk in the process, which is, there it is, yeah. So I will be adding those to gently warm in the peas instead of cook, because I'm just being that way. I also have a nice amount of chopped cilantro to sprinkle on top. So that's dinner. Onions, garlic, butter, salt, pepper, bell peppers, peas, eggs, cilantro. It's a plate of food. Think of it as chicken and salad, or unborn chicken and salad. That's it. I'm the Awful Chef. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.